Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to improve graphics performance of an old GPU. I have the GTX 850M on this laptop, but this method will work for many old GPUs, so you don't have to worry about it. After do these updates and making the changes, you will notice up to 5 frames per second increase of your gaming performance. First thing you have to do is you need to download GeForce Experience application to your PC. I have already installed the application, so I'm not going to do that again. And then open the GeForce Experience application, and you need to log in to the application to access the options. If you don't have an account, create an account and log into the application, and then go to the drivers and check for the updates. As you can see, I have already the latest driver, so I don't need to update it again. If you don't have the latest drive, please update it and do a clean installation before you do the next step. Then go to Nvidia control panel, and under adjust image settings with preview, you need to select use the advanced 3D image settings. Next, it's the most important part of the video. I'm going to the tab manage 3D settings. So I'm not going to talk, I'm just going through the settings. Please do not mess with these settings because it will really affect your machine performance. And also remember, there might be some differences between my settings and your settings due to the different graphics card, so please try to change the settings as similar as possible. After you change all the settings, click apply. Finally, go to the set physics configuration and select your graphics card and make sure to click apply. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you find this video was helpful, like the video and subscribe my channel to get the latest video updates. I'll see you in the next one.